Hello food lovers, let's talk about a game changer, the BBQ Jackfruit Sandwich. Imagine sinking your teeth into a smoky, savory, and surprisingly meaty sandwich. Now imagine that this culinary delight is entirely plant-based. That's the magic of jackfruit. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit with a unique texture. When cooked right, it mimics the texture of pulled pork. This makes it a fantastic ingredient for plant-based BBQ lovers. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. We'll transform this humble fruit into a flavor-packed sandwich. This recipe is easy to follow even for beginner cooks. We'll walk through each step together. Get ready to impress your taste buds and discover the versatility of jackfruit. Let's get cooking. Before we dive into the recipe, let's learn about jackfruit. This unique fruit has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and its versatility is truly magical. This magnificent fruit hails from Southeast Asia, where it thrives in the tropical climate. It's a common sight in local markets and is cherished for its numerous culinary uses. It's the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Some jackfruits can grow to be as large as a small child, making them quite a spectacle to behold. A single jackfruit can weigh up to 80 pounds. Imagine carrying that home from the market. Despite its size, it's surprisingly easy to work with once you know how. Don't worry. We won't need that much for our sandwich. Just a small portion will do, and it will still pack a punch in terms of flavor and texture. Jackfruit has a spiky green exterior that can be intimidating at first glance. But once you get past the tough skin, a treasure trove of deliciousness awaits inside. Inside, you'll find pods of sweet yellow flesh. These pods are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients, making jackfruit a healthy choice. We'll be using young green jackfruit for our recipe. Unlike the ripe version, young jackfruit has a more neutral flavor, which makes it incredibly versatile in savory dishes. Young jackfruit has a neutral flavor, making it perfect for absorbing savory sauces. This characteristic allows it to take on the flavors of whatever spices and marinades you use. It's also low in calories and fat, making it a healthy and satisfying meal option. Plus, it's rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to a balanced diet. When cooked, jackfruit develops a tender, stringy texture. This texture is remarkably similar to pulled pork, which is why it's a favorite among those looking for plant-based alternatives. This remarkable resemblance to pulled pork is what makes it a star in the plant-based world. It's a fantastic option for those who want to enjoy the flavors and textures of meat without the animal products. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in various dishes. From curries and stews to tacos and sandwiches, jackfruit can do it all. But today we're focusing on its BBQ potential. With the right spices and cooking techniques, jackfruit can be transformed into a mouth-watering BBQ dish that will impress even the most dedicated meat lovers. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need canned young jackfruit in water or brine. Drain and rinse the jackfruit before using. Next, you'll need your favorite BBQ sauce. You can use store-bought or make your own. For added depth of flavor, we'll use onions, garlic, and spices. Smoked paprika and cumin will lend a smoky aroma. A touch of maple syrup will add a hint of sweetness. These simple ingredients will transform the jackfruit into a BBQ masterpiece. Now let's talk about the cooking process. We'll start by sautéing the onions and garlic until fragrant. Then we'll add the jackfruit, spices, and BBQ sauce. Let everything simmer together until the jackfruit is tender and coated in a luscious sauce. While we wait for our BBQ jackfruit to simmer, let's discuss its nutritional benefits. Jackfruit is a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals. Jackfruit is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts the immune system. It's also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Moreover, jackfruit is low in fat and calories, making it a healthy and guilt-free indulgence. Incorporating jackfruit into your diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. It's a delicious and nutritious alternative to meat, making it a great option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. Section 5. Fun facts about jackfruit. Let's dive into the world of this extraordinary fruit. Did you know that jackfruit is the national fruit of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka? This tropical fruit is not only massive in size but also in its cultural significance. It's a versatile ingredient used in both sweet and savory dishes. In many Asian cuisines, jackfruit is a staple, often used in traditional recipes that have been passed down through generations. From curries to desserts, jackfruit adds a unique flavor and texture to countless culinary creations. Its fibrous flesh can mimic the texture of meat, making it a popular choice for vegetarian and vegan dishes. In some cultures, jackfruit seeds are roasted and eaten as a snack. These seeds are not just tasty but also packed with nutrients. They have a nutty flavor and are a good source of protein and fiber. In fact, jackfruit seeds can be ground into flour and used in baking, adding a nutritional boost to your favorite recipes. The wood of the jackfruit tree is also highly valued. It's known for its durability and beautiful grain, making it a preferred material for various crafts. It's used to make furniture, musical instruments, and even houses. The wood's resistance to termites and fungi makes it an excellent choice for long-lasting structures. Jackfruit is a truly remarkable fruit, with a rich history and numerous uses. Its versatility extends beyond the kitchen and into various aspects of daily life. Now that you know more about this fascinating ingredient, let's get back to our BBQ sandwich. Whether you're cooking, crafting, or simply snacking, jackfruit offers something for everyone. Our BBQ jackfruit is ready to shine. This versatile ingredient is perfect for creating a sandwich that is uniquely yours. While the classic BBQ flavor is undeniably delicious, feel free to customize your sandwich to your liking. The possibilities are endless, and you can mix and match to find your perfect combination. Add a touch of heat with your favorite hot sauce. Whether you prefer a mild kick or something that packs a punch, hot sauce can elevate the flavors of your sandwich. Or if you like a bit of crunch and spice, a sprinkle of chili flakes can do wonders. It's all about finding that perfect balance of flavors. For a tangy twist, try adding a dollop of vegan coleslaw. The creamy texture and tangy flavor complement the BBQ jackfruit beautifully, adding a refreshing contrast. A handful of fresh cilantro can add a burst of herbal freshness. Cilantro's unique flavor can brighten up the sandwich and add a layer of complexity. And a squeeze of lime juice will add a burst of freshness. The acidity of the lime cuts through the richness of the BBQ sauce, making each bite more vibrant. Get creative and experiment with different toppings. From pickled onions to avocado slices, the options are endless. Each topping can bring a new dimension to your sandwich. You can create a sandwich that perfectly suits your taste buds. Don't be afraid to try new combinations and discover what you love the most. You can also play around with the bread. The type of bread you choose can significantly impact the overall experience of your sandwich. A classic hamburger bun is always a good choice. It's soft, slightly sweet, and pairs well with the BBQ jackfruit. But you can also use brioche rolls, which are rich and buttery, or ciabatta bread, which has a nice chewy texture and can hold up to the saucy jackfruit, or even lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Lettuce wraps are great if you're looking for a low-carb alternative that still delivers on flavor and crunch. Don't be afraid to get creative. The beauty of making your own sandwich is that you can tailor it to your preferences. Whether you like it spicy, tangy, or fresh, the choice is yours. Enjoy the process and have fun experimenting with different ingredients and flavors. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, assembling the perfect BBQ jackfruit sandwich. Grab your toasted buns and pile on a generous helping of the saucy BBQ jackfruit. Add your desired toppings and finish with the top bun. Take a moment to appreciate your creation, the vibrant colors, the tantalizing aroma, and the promise of a flavor explosion await. Are you ready for this? Take a bite and let the flavors transport you to BBQ heaven. The tender jackfruit coated in smoky, savory sauce will fool even the most discerning meat eaters. The combination of sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors will dance on your palate. This sandwich is not only delicious but also satisfying and fulfilling. The fiber-rich jackfruit will keep you feeling full and energized. It's the perfect meal for any time of day, whether you're craving comfort food or a healthy and flavorful lunch. Share this culinary masterpiece with your friends and family. They'll be amazed by the deliciousness and surprised to learn that it's entirely plant-based. Congratulations! You've just mastered the art of making a BBQ Jackfruit Sandwich. This recipe is just the beginning of your jackfruit adventures. Explore different cuisines and discover the endless possibilities of this versatile fruit. From tacos to pizza toppings, from curries to stir-fries, jackfruit can add a unique twist to countless dishes. Embrace this culinary chameleon and let your creativity run wild. Happy cooking! Subscribe to They Green channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.